Good Saturday morning. Guess where I am? I'm at a fruit stand off of Route 41. And I don't know exactly what town. I know it's Lutz. L-U-T-Z, Florida. This place is incredible. There is everything here. It's really something. I love these little types of farmers markets in this area. This is the first time we've been to this one. This is quite interesting. They got quite a bit of stuff.
You take a paper.
Well, that was our visit to the Lutz Farm on Route 41 in Lutz, Florida. We got a bag of good shit to go with our steaks and what else did we get? Brats? Or no,
Brats.
Sausage? Italian sausage. Yeah.
Chicken.
Chicken. Those of you wondering who the voice is, that's Lisa.
And the dog bones.
Oh yeah, we got big old meaty dog bones for our two pups. So, if you ever find yourself in Lutz, Florida on Highway 41, make sure you stop at the Lutz Family Farm. Great prices. Everything in this bag costs us $2.65. You gotta love Florida. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.